I like the strikes on Robyn. She can fire it.
Robyn firing with everything she has. She always gives 100%.
Here's another cover opportunity, a pinning predicament that Willow is able to extricate herself from. Of course, Mercedes and Diamante always appear to be never far from ring view.
Yeah, when you have somebody like that that doesn't like you, it makes you have those eyes in the back of your head. Even though you have an opponent in front of you, you're thinking about where are the people that hate you at.
You hear about Ruby Soho and her designs on gold in the women's division. It is a situation that is certainly heating up as the summer winds down. And let's say Robyn Renegade pulls the victory off. Now all of a sudden, she and her sister, they're household names.
That's exactly what they want to do. That's the game plan, and every time they come, they've pulled a lot of upsets on Ring of Honor. The Renegades have, showing everybody that you can never count them out.
And this is what you want to do when you give up some size, maybe some strength. Ground that opponent.
Yeah, she's grounding and making it hard for Willow to get back to her feet. The only thing Willow has going for her now, other than her heart, is the crowd.
Oh, man. This AEW Collision crowd has been solidly behind Willow Nightingale every time. Willow Nightingale trying to get back to her feet. But Robyn Renegade putting her right back down. We're back on AEW Collision. As you can see, Willow Nightingale battling Robyn Renegade and has been on struggle street up until now, but this crowd, Caprice, what a difference maker it's been.
There are some people that function by themselves, and there are some people that grab the energy of the crowd, and Willow is one that uses the crowd.
Robyn Renegade has certainly not gotten cheated on any strike, any offense she's been able to muster.
But it's the babe with power and total control. Throws her in. Beautiful spine buster.
And now the stack cover. Posey almost gets three.
So what I like about Willow is the poise she has. She's not rushing into anything else, taking her time. She knows she's in control.
And obviously Mercedes Martinez and Diamante never far away from thoughts of being involved. Uh-oh. Look at the speed. Oh, cannonball, but nobody home.
That's that anticipation. Robyn doing her homework, knowing what Willow has to offer. Robyn ascends to the top rope, Kevin Kelly.
And yes, there it is. Missile drop kick. After the big one in the center of the ring. Win, lose, or draw, Robyn Renegade is making a name for herself here on AEW Collision.
Without a doubt, Robyn Renegade back to her feet, knows she's in control.
And down goes Willow Nightingale.
Willow melted to the outside.
Sister Charlotte. The eyes for her sister on the floor.
See the eyes of Willow, man. She's not going to stop. Determination at its best.
Oh, wait a minute now. Risking disqualification. Oh! Willow will take those 2-on-1 odds. Make it work. Certainly something for Mercedes Martinez and Diamante to think about.
The Bay Bomb.
Got it!
Winner of this match, Willow Nightingale.
can't wait to see who emerges from All In as the AEW Women's Champion. Because whomever that is, they are going to have to deal with Willow Nightingale.